One of the tips is to retain the box. To retain the box that it comes in. So this one's got lots of instructions. It's by Firefly. This is the flock, and it gives you the instructions for all their various ones. How handy is that? You also have some that they come in packages like this. I love this little pack. Got a little Velcro thing. I love it. So this one has the information included with it, and it has the fact that it's cold peel and its time and temperature there. The important bit of this is to retain the sheets. And then you get the rolls. So this is a Cricut brand, and they're actually the worst for finding the time and temperature, but they do have listed places so you can keep that. Keep the wrapper stuck around however you want to, or you can take the wrapper off and then you just pop it inside there. So it just goes down the hole and you've got it for when you need it. And that just came like that. It had a little sticky thing. I left the sticky in to say the brand, so I knew the brand. But what you can also use is painter's tape. So put a little, I'll just keep it close to the camera, put a little fold in that, write your time, temperature and anything else that you need information on it, whether it's warm or cold peel, whether it's flock or puff or whatever you need to write on it. Write on this, cut it off and use it to keep your vinyl closed, and then you've got it on there. When you take it off, you just lift it, pop it somewhere until you're ready to roll your vinyl back up and put it on the next stretch. There is also your pen. So this is a felt tip Sharpie. You can use texture, doesn't matter. And I'll just grab a piece of this. This is left over from taking the wording off the tracksuit and putting a new name on. It was a name, Lady Phil's name, and I put the new owner's name on. And this is left over from that. Now this lives with my piece of paper that I've got in there. But if not, felt tip pen on the back, little area, write your time, temperature, what you need to know. This has got the shiny carrier sheet, so you put shiny side down when you're cutting it, and then you've got the record on there. The downside of this is if you use a bit more, that you might need to do it again. Another little tip is a rubber band. So what I've done is just stuck a label on there, rubber band, and this one will be a good one. So you've got your roll on the roll, and then you've got your little label. So that's another way to remember it. And of course, there's the good old notebook. These are my sublimation notes. So I use the good old notebook when I do sublimation. They don't have pieces of vinyl you can attach your notes to, and it's very hard to remember all the variations, the time and temperature for those as well. And so yes, the good old notebook works a treat as well. Whichever method suits you best. And as I just demonstrated, there's a lot of ways you can do it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you next time. Join me at createwithsue.com for more tips, tricks and tutorials. Catch you later.